Okay guys, this video is for all the users that messed up their screen, the touch screen area, and they lose their panel case, like the volume and the back. It's not reacting here, and the screen tabs are not correct. Let's say you tapping on the right top and it's actually recognize your touch on the left down. If you messed up your screen by entering in areas that you don't know what they do, and you messed up your system, your youmecity Android T8. Okay, now first you need to connect a USB mouse like I did, and you need to go to settings and system, okay, with the mouse, and the developer options, clicking here, then you clicking the code 7890 and okay, then you roll down to these two options and click it on, okay, this one and this one. Second, okay, it says show tabs and the pointer location, okay, you turn it on and you're going back, and if you see, when I turn these options on, I can see my clicks by this blue cross, and also my taps. Okay, so if your screen touch area is messed up, you can know by that. When you clicking here, it will show you the blue cross in different area, but you can know where to touch to get to this video, let's say, okay, by that. Okay, first we did this. Now to reinstall and correct the screen, what we do, we're going with the mouse, okay, the mouse always working okay, we have no issues with the mouse. Let's say on my screen I already repaired it, and when I'm tapping on this section, it will taps here, okay, but if you messed up your screen, it not taps here, so we're using the mouse. Let's say I have the same problem like you. Okay, I'm entering in car settings. Okay, when I enter the car settings, I'm entering the extra settings, and we have to input this code. The code is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we're clicking OK. We enter this menu. Okay, here the mouse not working. You see the mouse, but if we want to click on the menu that we need to open, and its name is touch area K, we need this menu. If I click with the mouse, You see what happened? It rolling up the screen and not entering in this option. Again, we need this touch IOK, touch area key. Click, rolls up, not working with the mouse. You need, by the help of this option, you see this cross. My screen is okay now, but if your screen is messed up, by the help of this cross you can touch and feel where are you need to touch to enter the touch area key. So you touch on it and voila, it opens the menu. And what you need to do here: first you need to correct the screen touching area, and you are clicking on, now you can use the mouse, by the way, and you clicking on position and you choosing this left and right TR. When you choosing and clicking on it, your touch screen will work normally. Okay, so if you touch here, it touch here and it's not be messed up. So when you correct this problem, you are going and you have this empty black squares that says reserve. Reserve means that it's empty, okay, and you need to enter and relearn them to recognize the panel case like this, music volume and back and home and power. Okay, so how we do that? We are clicking on the config, import CFG file, okay, then we click on the start and the blank here, okay, and choosing, we can do that with the finger because we already repaired the screen. So let's say the screen is the screen position is repaired, you clicking with your finger already and you choose the volume plus, tapping on it, and then here tapping on it, and the volume plus is gray, so it records that tapping. Now on another blank area, tapping, and we choosing volume minus, okay, and here also pushing on the okay. You need to do that fast, okay. So again, here and here and fast here, and you see it's also gray. Now the next one, taking that, we need back button, back, okay, it says back and it's gray and it's great. Now the home button, tapping here, where is home, okay, here is home button, and here, okay, it says home and it's gray. the color is very important. It need to be gray, and the name of the button, home. If it's not said like that, it not recognize your tapping. So we have another button, the power. So we tap on this empty space and we choose power and tapping on the power. Finally we tapping on the end and going back, back. Okay, so if we touch here, you can see all of our case working. If I go here, the back button works and the power button also works. So that's all, guys, and I hope I helped you, because it's actually a problem. Okay.